Hello my darlings, on today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this white satin flower choker. To make flower choker I'll be using this white satin fabric which is 130 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide. I'm folding this satin fabric in half and I'll sew a straight stitch on the edge there. I'm setting my sewing machine to longest stitch, number 5. And I will sew a straight stitch on both edges. Next I'll burn edges on my sewed pattern so the edges don't fray. So I'm burning all the edges like that. So here's my prepared flower pattern. Next I'm pulling this thread like that and I'm gathering this flower fabric pattern like that. I'm evening out all the gathering on both sides and it looks like that. And this gathering I have gathered to approximately 38 centimeter length. Next I'm folding this corner inside like that and inside again. And then I'm turning this pattern around itself so it creates a flower, and I'm sewing all those sewed gathered edges together like that, repeating the same process and sewing all those edges together. And I'll keep turning this pattern around itself like that, all around, till all gathered edges are wrapped around and it's like a circle there. And I'm sewing all those gathered edges together, and this edge I'm folding like that and I'm sewing this edge to the middle, and my flower is prepared. Next I'm burning edges on this thin ribbon which is 130 centimeters long and 3 millimeters wide. I'm folding it in half so that's the center. And I'll glue this ribbon at the back of this flower there, so that's the wrong side and this is the right side of the flower, and it looks like that. Turning this flower to wrong side, applying glue in the center where the stitching is, and I'm gluing this ribbon center on the flower back center. Applying more glue all around the gathered stitching edges like that, and I will glue on this 5 centimeter diameter felt fabric piece on top so it hides all of the gathered stitches at the back of the flower, pressing it quite hard so it sticks well. So this is the back of the flower and this is the front of the flower. And here's my finished flower choker. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. I have created a knot at the back there so the flower choker stays on the neck securely. So you can wear this flower choker like that with both ribbons hanging at the front. Or you can tie these two ribbon ends at the back and wear it like that. So it's just one ribbon line on your neck. Or you can create a bow at the front and wear it like that. I will add all materials which I used to make this flower choker in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.